In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method and withdraw money on Gumroad. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, if you don't have an account yet, you'll want to start by going to Gumroad's website and setting one up. It's a fairly straightforward process, so I won't go into every detail, but just make sure you have your basic information ready, like your name and email. Once you have that done, you can log into your Gumroad dashboard. Now, once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. To add a payment method, look for the option labeled Payout. This section is specifically designed for managing how you receive money from all the sales you've made. Click on that, and you'll be directed to a new page that details your payout settings. On this page, you'll see something called Payout Threshold. This is the minimum amount you need to earn before you can withdraw your funds. It's good to be aware of this so you know how much you need to hustle before payday. Next, you're going to want to fill in your basic details. This might include your address, tax information, and possibly your bank account details if that's the method you plan on using for payouts. Take your time to ensure all the information is accurate. This will help avoid any delays when it comes time to withdraw your funds. Once you've filled in your details, it's time to select how you want to get your money. Gumroad provides a couple of different options here. One of the most popular choices is PayPal, and I highly recommend it for its ease of use. So if you want to use PayPal, all you need to do is click on the PayPal option. If you don't have a PayPal account yet, you might want to set one up. It's free and very straightforward. After clicking on PayPal, you'll typically be prompted to sign in to your account to authorize Gumroad to send your payout through this method. Just follow the on-screen instructions. This may take a moment, but once you've successfully linked your account, you'll receive a confirmation. And that's pretty much it for adding a payment method. From now on, whenever you make a sale through Gumroad, your funds will be sent to the payment method you chose once they hit the payout threshold. Now, let's get into withdrawing your money, which is the next step. If you've made some sales and you're ready to count your earnings, log back into your Gumroad dashboard. Again, navigate back to the payout section. Here, you'll see any earnings that have crossed your payout threshold. If your earnings are ready to be withdrawn, you'll find an option to initiate that transfer. Simply follow the prompts, and within a couple of days, depending on your chosen payment method, the cash should appear in your account. It's just that simple. You hustle, you make sales, and then you manage your money easily through Gumroad's platform. Just keep in mind that depending on the payment method you chose, it may take a few days for the money to transfer. So don't worry if you don't see it immediately. And remember, keeping track of your sales and earnings is crucial. Gumroad provides you with comprehensive analytics so you can see what's selling, what isn't, and where your earnings stand at any given moment. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you now feel more confident about adding a payment method and withdrawing money on Gumroad. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.